recommend the best skin products to lighten my black skin by 2 shades. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm not even going to do all the intro of like, oh, it's been so long since I've been filming, blah blah blah, but I am super excited to be back and to be filming this video. Like, it's so weird that I've been on YouTube for, since 2011 and I've never done a Q&A. I know, right? So this is my first Q&A. I put out something on Instagram for you guys to basically just ask me all your questions. Basically, sorry, I'm breathing hard. Okay, first question is skincare do's and don'ts. So do not sleep with makeup, watch what you eat, and obviously drink loads of water. I know everyone says that, but it really works. And then the third thing I would say is find a skincare routine that actually works for your skin. So don't do copy and paste skincare routine. Don't say, oh, because DODOS is using it, then I should use it. You need to know what kind of skin type you have and then formulate a skincare routine that is easy and works best for your skin. So the next question says, is your real name DODOS or just something your friends gave ya? So my real name is Akpewe Ogene, and that means thank God. My middle name is Lydia, and my last name is Uviegara. So that is Akpewe Ogene Uviegara. And DODOS is actually Dodoska, and that's what my pet name that my dad gave me. So yeah, everyone sort of like adopted that name because they just found it easier to pronounce than Akpewe. Makeup and fashion and beauty literally came to me naturally at a very young age, and then just seeing my mom, who I would say was my greatest influence as to, you know, being a strong woman, being a girl boss. And she was an entrepreneur. She had all these businesses that she basically started. I lost my dad at a very young age, and my mom literally had to be the mom and the dad. And I feel like at that young age I knew that I didn't want to be dependent on any man, because if my mom was so I started, you know, with watching YouTube videos. I started learning how to do makeup. Like, maybe if I want to buy a powder or a product from MAC, I always tell them, I remember, I'll be like, oh, can you please try on this eyebrow pencil on me, and just literally watch their techniques, go back home and try it out. I got a job in HR and it was really good, but after a while I just realized that I wanted to do more. I knew that I was called to do more, and I wanted to, you know, basically start my life and just really follow my dreams, and that is how I ended up here. Well, if I'm being really honest, at the moment I would say Marrakesh, because it's just really vibrant and full of life. Yeah, so that's my favorite city at the moment. Falling in love. I slowly transitioned into my business because I had a 9-to-5 job, and then I had a blog, which really gave me leverage in terms of having a voice in that space, you know. So yeah, that transition was pretty much smooth for me at that. And I was just really no longer physically enjoying my job. It just felt like I was living someone else's life and someone else's dream. And then I just realized that, you know what, it was actually time for me to start. So naturally, I was already used to, you know, being on short hair. I went to an all-girls Catholic school. That means we had to cut our hair. Like, I was on low cut for 6 years straight. So when I started growing my hair, it was just me trying to find ways to make my hair look pretty, because I knew that it was still short anyway. And so there was no like big chop, because it was always like from short hair to like short hair, if you know what I mean. And it's been, I wouldn't say it's been difficult, but it's actually really, it takes a lot of patience and dedication to like curl it and wrap it and do all of that. But I enjoy it. It's my favorite hairstyle, so I don't think I'll be changing that anytime. Yes, I attended Crawford University and I studied economics, and you breaking out isn't really a bad thing. It's just really getting the toxins out of your skin. So you need to see breaking out as really getting all the yama basically out of your skin, and I think you should really embrace it as part of the process of rejuvenating your skin and, you know, getting clearer, glowy skin. The person says, what makes you happy? P.S. I love your smile. Thank you. I used to be really insecure about my smile because I thought I had really big gums, which I really still do, but I really don't care because I love it. But what makes me happy? My friends, my family, my work. You know, when I do makeup on people and they feel happy and confident, it really makes me happy. And just being able to make people feel good about themselves, yeah, that makes me happy. So yes, I kind of plan. I can't really take a spontaneous trip because I have to get a visa, or if it's a country that I already have a visa, then it has to be almost like a work trip for it to be like that spontaneous. So yeah, planning is really key and working to. Then I start putting money aside either for my ticket or for my visa, because obviously I have a green passport, so we still go through the usual process of, you know, getting visas. Yeah, so typically you usually start from my, you know, I book my tickets and then hotels and all of that. Yes. So I have a boyfriend, I'm seeing someone at the moment. Next question says, describe your style in 3 words. I would say simple. No, actually. Yeah, I'll say simple. I would say edgy. And I would say minimal. The next question says, please can you do a boyfriend tag or video? You guys, no, I can't. Thanks. Next. I think the first thing should be consistency. I want to be more consistent and deliberate with putting out content. And then I really want to do a lot of like empowerment. I want to empower young women who either want to be beauty bloggers or influencers, just to be able to like start their own thing. And the usual things, masterclasses, and just really being authentic and genuine with my content, and just really being intentional. Yeah. Yes. So do not lose yourself because of society standards. Just be you and do you, and everything will be fine. Trust me. Can you recommend the best skin products to lighten my black skin by 2 shades? Yo, you guys, like, we're in 2019, you know, I don't know that, I'm quite shocked that in 2019, we're still talking about skin lightening. So, I'm so sorry, I would not be able to recommend best skin products to lighten your black skin. I think you are, whoever you are, you're beautiful the way you are, just the way you are, like, rock your melanin, like enjoy your dark skin. Why would you want to be 2 shades lighter? And trust me, anyone who cannot accept you just the way you are, dark skin, light skin, whatever it is, shouldn't be in your life in the first place. Like, walk away from that person, and you just need to know that you're really beautiful. Lightening the skin isn't going to make you any prettier. Like, you're just really going to show that you're really insecure about your complexion, that you should be rocking. Like, girl, you're so blessed to have like all that melanin. So I'm sorry. Followers, yes, I would love to meet up with you guys. So I'm guessing sometime in the year, we could probably do like a meet and greet or something. Yeah, I'll be really excited to meet all of you. And if you ever see me in public, like, please, I'm not mean, I'm super nice. So I hear. So feel free to like pull me aside and like, you know, tell me, oh, you know. I have various skincare routines depending on the time of the day. So at night, my nighttime routine and my morning routine are slightly different. But I'm pretty consistent in terms of the order in which I use my products, which is usually from the very like lightweight stuff to the heavier stuff. So the first thing I do is I wash my face, then I cleanse, and then I use my toner. And then I use vitamin C serum, depending on, actually I use vitamin C serum every day, morning and night. I use a hyaluronic acid because my skin is dry, and I'll try to do a very detailed video for you guys of my current skincare routine. And then I use sunscreen. Sunscreen is like super important for me. So yeah, that's my current skincare routine. But so far I use the Canon 70D to film my videos. I have a Rode mic, and then I use a MacBook Pro, and I edit with Final Cut Pro at the moment. So these are the things that I use to edit and film my videos. Yes! Oh my god, you guys, I cannot overemphasize that. It is super, well, not super expensive, but relatively expensive to maintain. I mean, my typical trip when I go to the salon, I do my hair at Wondrous, and I spend roughly about 20 something thousand naira when I'm going to do my hair. So I usually relax, cut, treat, and I dye my hair because I like to color my hair jet black. So most times I'm spending between 27,000 naira to 30,000 naira when I go to the hair salon. So how sustainable is it really for me to go to the salon? So most times I just really try to go once a month, and then the other, like, in between times I know how to like curl my hair or style my hair. Thanks to YouTube, I know how to do all of that. So yeah, if you're trying to cut your hair, you should factor in the fact that, number one, you either have to learn and invest in the tools yourself, or you're constantly going to keep visiting like the salon, and that's going to cost you a lot of money. Well, I generally have really small pores. They're almost non-existent. So I would say if you have large pores, then you need to invest in a primer, in like Benefit has Professional, Makeup Forever HD as well. Their primer is really good in terms of like blocking out those pores so that your makeup can really like be smooth and your application can be really flawless. So guys, that is all for today. I'm super excited that I was able to do this Q&A, and just let me know what sort of videos you want me to film and what you want to see. And do not forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe, click the notification. I've not been on YouTube so long, I don't know where the notification bar is, but just click something so you can get all the notifications from me when I post a video, and I will be sure to see you in my next video. My name is DODOS again, and thank you for watching. Yay!